Hey guys, it's Chris here. Welcome back to YouTube. Thanks for having me back. Just wanted to give you a quick update that there's a sale going on. Before that, I just want to say the reason I've been out of YouTube is because you can see I kind of got a scratch or something, but I did get hit by a car. Long story short, I was riding a bike. The car was turning into the plaza, hit me, and then I got hurt. But I'm still back. It healed, and I'm ready to be back on camera. With that said, I want to let you know that there is a sale on the Logitech G602 mouse. If you don't know that mouse, it's a wireless mouse. So if you ever wanted to get into wireless mouse like this I don't know what this one, G900 mouse. It's the mouse I use currently, but before that I was using the G602. It's actually pretty cheap right now. It's on sale for $22.99. It's on Amazon. I'll leave it in the description below. But I think it's on sale just because it's an old model and it's still a good mouse. It's definitely a great travel mouse. I use it for travel now, and it's definitely a nice wireless mouse. I prefer wireless over wired, and I think wireless nowadays have a pretty good latency. So it's on sale, $22.99. On my G602 review, I did say I got it for like 25 bucks or around that price, so it is a pretty good price, and I do see some comments still saying that they get it around $25. So $22.99 is pretty good, and if you have Amazon Prime, that's even better. You get it in 2 days. Also, now that the G602 is on sale, I did realize that they did come out with a newer version of the G602, which looks better and has a better sensor and probably has a better lifetime in terms of build quality. And that mouse is the G604. So this is the G604. It is a little bit pricey at $99 personally, or $93. Personally, I wouldn't get it right now. I would wait for the price to go down. I did get the G900 for $90. So that's on you if you want to spend that $93 for that newer version. But the newer version is cooler. It's a totally black version, and I think it now has the unlimited scroll wheel like they have in the G902 or G900. G502, so it's an unlimited scroll wheel. Check this one out if you looking for the newest and the best version, but the G602 is still a good mouse. It just doesn't have that ultimate scroll wheel that goes infinitely long. That is really helpful when scrolling down windows and articles. With that said, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for our future video. This is coming up. You have this. I have been injured, so I haven't been using it, but it is a great product. And the keyboard tray, stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for staying tuned, and sorry for no videos for the past month or month and a half. I got hit on October 31st, and I've been healing since then. Another thing, my phone has been dead for a while, so I haven't even been able to use my cell phone. This is the Galaxy Note 8, and you can see I actually took it apart just to try to fix it. For some reason, what happened was I was sleeping, it started to update itself, and then it bricked itself. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for future content. That was a quick update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. The link in the description will have the G602 on sale. Bye guys.